everyone, what's up? What's up? What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing safe and well, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a story. This is a story about a girl who spent a lot of money on skincare. The girl is me. That's me guys. Last month I spent a lot of money to buy a bunch of skincare. I'm honestly not boasting or anything at all about this because I actually had to go over my budget to buy all of these things, and the reason I bought it was because my skin was borderline crying guys. I gave up on skincare completely, completely gave up on skincare since we started working on our brand. Talking about the brand, I'm actually wearing a sweatshirt from our brand. You can buy it from www.serum.com. Now, coming back to the topic, I did not have a proper routine for the longest time, guys. The work was insane. There were so many things which were happening that I was barely getting any time for anything else for that matter, and skincare was literally the last thing on my mind. Because I was not following any sort of routine for last few months, my skin was dull, okay, like really dull, and I had dry patches on my skin. Dry patches everywhere. I would apply foundation and those dry patches would just show. By the way, my skin is dry, okay? It is dry as hell. It is as dry as my humor. The products which I'm going to show you today are from my skincare haul which I did. I have been applying these products for what, about a week now? Yeah, it's been a week. It's not been more than a week. I'll tell you what differences, although you know, a week is like a very short time to review a product, but I'll still tell you what difference I've felt in my skin in a week's time. So I don't have any major issues, and all my skin needed was just a lot of hydration and just something to give it a slight, you know, nice kind of a glow. Okay, there's one more small disclaimer before I begin this video. I told you that I have a dry skin, right? So all these products that I'm showing you are for dry skin. I'm pretty sure there are certain products which can be used on other skin types, but I won't be able to tell you that. I won't be able to vouch for that. Since the beginning of time, I've maintained this thing that I will only and only recommend you products which I have myself personally tried and tested. I won't do guesswork here, you know, it's your skin that we are talking about. Keeping dryness and dry patches and a little bit of dullness in mind, I did my research and bought all these products. Having said that, if you've tried any of these products and if you do have a different skin type, then please feel free to, you know, leave your review or your experience with any of the things that I'm going to show you so that it can help other people, and the links of all the products will be in the description box below. Now let's begin the video. I have my little NYKAA box here. The first product is Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser, and this is Mashobra, Honey, Lemon and Rosewater. And full disclosure, I've not used it yet guys. This is something that I bought because I am currently using their Kashmiri Saffron face wash, and it is beautiful. I love that face wash. It is just like about to get over. Actually, just let me just show you the bottle of that as well. And I have the bottle of the face wash which I have been using from Forest Essentials. It is empty guys, like this is like literally it's taking its last breath, and I'm using it and pumping it every day to just finish it completely. So this is my favorite cleanser from Forest Essentials. Is their Kashmiri Saffron and Neem cleanser, and it's beautiful. It does not dry out your skin or anything, and it's like a spa for your face, you know. It smells so nice as well. This time I decided to try out a different variant of this face wash, so I bought this one. It had amazing reviews, so I thought that I'll give it a shot. I've literally not even opened the bottle yet. I am going to open this once this one gets over. I think twice more I will be able to wash my face with this, and then I'll open this. I'll definitely tell you how it works. I'm going to update that on my Instagram handle. I'm going to open this very soon and give an update there. Now, toner. So just like you guys, I also did a lot of research online. Okay, I did not really watch videos, but I did read up a lot of reviews for a lot of different things that I hear. For dry skin, a lot of people raved about this particular toner. It is from Klairs and it is their Supple Preparation Facial Toner. Been using it for about a week and it feels really nice on the skin, guys. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. It has slightly thicker consistency. It gets absorbed really well on the skin. It is very smooth. The texture is really nice. So I enjoy using it. It does hydrate the face as well. I won't say it hydrates the skin a lot. You will definitely need to use a moisturizer along with it if you have a dry skin like mine. But it does a good job overall, and it is pretty good for minor hydration, you know. Now the next thing which I bought was again from Klairs, and it is this. It is Klairs Vitamin C Serum. This was bought in my desperate attempt to give a little bit of glow to my skin. This is how the bottle looks like, and there were a lot of negative reviews about the packaging, yeah. And you know, honestly, I was about to cancel my order, but then I thought that I'll give this a fair chance. So basically, vitamin C can get oxidized really fast, especially when you keep opening the bottle and shutting it. It is sensitive to sunlight, and a lot of people said that this bottle should have been darker. It needs to be stored in a cool, dark place. So I am not going to throw this dabba. I'm actually going to keep it always in this box. That's what people recommended. Some people also recommended that you should keep it in your fridge. I use this product in the morning as well and in the night as well after my toner, and I've not used it enough to actually tell you how much difference it made to my skin, but it does feel different when you apply it. By different, I mean that it feels a little warm on the skin, and the skin also tingles quite a bit after you're done with the application. I don't know why that happens, but it happens, and a lot of people shared the same experience as well. The good thing is that it's suiting my skin pretty well. It does hydrate the skin, but just a little bit, not too much. The next thing that I bought is again from Klairs, and I assure you that this video is not sponsored by Klairs at all. While I was reading all these reviews and all, a lot of people spoke about this vitamin E mask and how well it works with the vitamin C serum. So I thought that I'll give it a shot. The full size product was pretty expensive, and I honestly, seriously just wanted to try it out first, the smaller size. So I got a mini version of it. This is the size of this tub. It is quite tiny, but with this product, a little goes a long way. You don't have to apply too much of it. And the texture of this product is actually quite interesting. It is like a jelly. Like if you've had Jello, it's exactly like Jello. You have to scoop it out a little, literally stick it on your skin, because otherwise it will fall. Now imagine applying Jello on your skin. It is exactly how this works, but don't apply Jello on your skin. Although the texture is very different, but it still melts into the skin. Like it spreads so easily on your skin. And I apply it strictly in the night because this product is sticky, guys. It is quite sticky, and even though in the instructions they have mentioned that you can use this as a moisturizer during daytime, I would highly not recommend that. Now this is one product which has made a minor, maybe like 5% difference to my skin in the 7 days of me using it. I did notice a bit of glow on my skin in the morning after like 2-3 days of applying it. Like in the morning I can see that there is a bit of a difference, and that is because this has niacinamide. Niacinamide is a great ingredient to get some glow into your skin. It works on hyperpigmentation, on your pores, and I cannot vouch for all those points because I mainly bought it for glow and hydration. It has vitamin E as well, so it hydrates the skin pretty well too. For glow and for hydration, so far it's been working beautifully. I think once this tub gets over, I will buy a full-size product of this one. Next, the moisturizer. I actually bought a high-end moisturizer this time. I got Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. The original Moisture Surge that you get is also a really good moisturizer. I have used it in the past and it is amazing. It is gel-like, but this one in particular is for extremely dry skin. I had to buy something for extremely dry skin. I use this product mainly during the night because during the day I use the toner, the serum, and then sunscreen, and I just kind of stopped there because any more layers of anything would just make my skin oily and sticky. I also don't have anything negative to say about this moisturizer, guys. It is such a nice moisturizer for dry skin. In fact, I can tell you that in a week's time, so far, I can see that there is a major difference in the dry patches that I've gotten on my skin, and it just hydrates the skin so well. I do look like a greased turkey after I'm done doing my nighttime skincare routine, but I don't have any complaints at all because this is working so well for my skin. You can use this moisturizer during the day as well. It is not sticky. You can wear it during the day. This is the one which is sticky. So this is strictly for the night. Next product which I bought is Plum sunscreen, and I am sorry I don't have the packaging box of this. This is the sunscreen which I bought. So I was using this other variant from Plum before this, though I was not regular with sunscreen at all. But now I've made it a point that I use sunscreen during the day even when I'm at home. For that I bought Plum Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen Gel. It has a gel-like consistency and it does not give any white cast at all, and that is good enough for me. I really don't like super heavy sunscreens or sunscreens which make me sweat later. This one does not do any of that, and I really like the texture and everything. I think Arjun is also using this sunscreen now. This was a good buy. I might actually repurchase it. It has SPF 35, which is good enough. Especially for indoor use, I'm mostly at home during the day. It is good enough. Next, I bought a vanilla flavored lip balm from LANEIGE. It is a lip sleeping mask. I have used it earlier. I love this product, and when I saw that they've got so many different flavors now, I got too excited, guys, and I got the vanilla one. I love the fragrance of vanilla, by the way. It is one of my favorite ice creams as well, and one of my favorite fragrances as well. Not as much as rose, but yeah, vanilla is great. This is how the packaging looks like, and it comes with a very cute applicator. I use the applicator, and I use this lip balm only during the night because it is slightly heavy for the day. Although you can apply like a thin layer, but I like to use it in the night only. It is expensive, but I have tried and tested this product in the past and I vouch for it. It is so good, guys. If you've got chapped lips or, you know, a lot of dryness around your lips, this will get you sorted. It is such a nice lip balm. Okay, next I got facial kits, guys. I got facial kits. So I never do facials in a salon, okay? I think the last time I got a facial in a salon was when I was getting married. True story. Last to last year, I did collaborate with Amazon for a skincare collaboration, and I happened to try out this facial kit from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. It is their Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial, and this was so nice. I enjoyed using it so much. It cleans and clarifies your face like anything. At least the one time that I used it, my face was glowing. It was looking so clean and so smooth and so nice. So I bought this. I also bought their DermaBright Brightening DIY Facial Kit because my skin could really use some glow and brightness. You know, it's been really dull lately. I have not used this, so can't really say if it's good or not, but I am going to try it out and will definitely update you on Instagram and here as well if I can. Also, I bought two each. One is for me and one is for Arjun because why should girls have all the fun, right? I'm pretty sure he'll say this is what happens once you get married. Your wives force you into skincare. But I'm sure he'll enjoy it. Last two things. The last two things are facial oils. Actually, one is a facial oil and one is a multi-purpose oil, and these are from Pahadi Local. This big one is their Ayu face oil. It is apricot kernel oil plus saffron, and the small one is their Gutti, which is their apricot kernel oil. This is how these bottles look like. This is a dropper bottle. This is 100 ml and this is 50 ml. I directly ordered this from their website. The reason why I bought these was because I am going to start using a gua sha. Few days ago, I came across Kaushal Beauty's channel and I saw that she did a 30-day long gua sha challenge. I was intrigued and I thought that maybe it's time that I should start using the gua sha that I have. I already have a gua sha. So I bought these facial oils to use my gua sha. I honestly have no experience with gua sha. I'm going to see tutorials online and learn how to use it. But if you do want me to do that challenge which Kaushal did, do let me know in the comment section below and we'll do it. Just because I wanted to try it out, one of the nights I did not apply my moisturizer and I applied this. And let me tell you one thing, this is a thick oil, guys. This is not one of those light facial oils which instantly get absorbed in your skin. This is like a proper oil. And I think, at least personally, that's what I feel, that you can only use it in the night considering the consistency of the oil. Again, I've only used it once, so I don't think I can talk about it much. I bought these two because I'm going to make Arjun also use gua sha, and I just wanted to try which one is better, the saffron infused one or just the plain apricot kernel oil. If you want me to do that challenge, let me know, because if I start today or tomorrow, then I'll only be able to post the final video after a month. So let me know, guys, if you'll be interested in that. So that's it, guys. This was my entire haul. It did cost quite a bit, but I'm very happy that I finally spent some money on some skincare. And I was actually very happy once I received all these products. When you buy products, that excitement is always there to try it out and stuff. There's one more thing which I'm yet to buy, and that is an eye cream. I did not buy it because I was just so confused. I saw so many reviews, I explored a lot of products, but by the end of it, my brain was fried and I was like, okay, I'll just buy it later. Let me just get these things first. We've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this haul. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about these products? If you've used any of these products, your experience with them, please let me know in the comment section below. And although I did tell you about this in the beginning of the video, but we do have a brand, guys. It is called House of Serum, and we have a bunch of different things. This sweatshirt is from our brand, but there are more things that you can explore on our website. We have put in a lot of love and a lot of hard work into this brand, and we have ensured that the quality of each and everything is top notch. So if you can spare a little bit of time, I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Please check it out, and if you do like something, then please consider buying. That's it from me for today, guys. I really have spoken a lot in this video. But that's it from me for today. Please stay safe and take care of yourself. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you. Bye-bye.